What's up designers, welcome back to the channel and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So finally we are having a mockup design video or tutorial onto this channel for the first time. Recently you guys have been sending me your mockup designs and I really like them. Some of them are very good. So I thought why shouldn't I give it a try? And finally I did it and it really came out good. So I wanted to let you know that how you guys can create some of the best mockup designs onto pixellab app using just your mobile phone. So in this video we will be learning and using some of the basics tools that you will need to design a mockup onto a pixellab app, and you can pretty much design a very professional looking mockup with using just pixellab app. So let's just get this video started. Before I start doing this video, I really wanted to thank you guys for the 4K subscribers onto this channel, and I think we will keep on growing and keep up improving our graphic design skills with time. And thank you so much for the 4K subscribers. You guys have been awesome to this channel, and I think I should stop talking now and get this video started. How to design mockup designs onto pixellab app. Let's get started.